Well, hello there. I've just been dropped off at I really don't know where I am, but it seems like I'm at Pavan's house. It seems like a dangerous place, but it looks like a cell too, with all the cell organelles and all that. I'll show you around, and hopefully I'll get back to where I'm usually from. I really don't know where I'm from. Goodbye. Well, first we're gonna see the cell wall. I've just found the cell wall. Pavan's house. This is also known as a fence. This is like the cell wall because it's a rigid structure outside of a plant cell. In this case, it's pretty rigid. The cell wall is an outer covering of a plant cell. Animal cells don't have a cell wall, or else we would be so stiff that we couldn't even move. Let me see if I can get inside the cell wall. See you later next time. I've just gotten into the cell wall, and I think I found some chloroplast. Chloroplast is the organelle in the cell in plant cells that converts sunlight into sugar, which makes energy. It is necessary to a plant cell. I'll show you right here in Pavan's house. This is also known as a plum tree. I say this is a chloroplast because it converts the water and all the nutrients we give it to make a plum, and that's what feeds us. There are no plums right here right now, but during its time it makes plums, and we eat them to satisfy our hunger. I'll come back when I see a cell membrane and I can get into the cell. I have found the cell membrane. In this case it is a door to our house, but it is like a cell membrane because it is basically the boundary to our house. It controls what comes in and out of the house. Unless you're a virus and then you smack the bejesus out of it and you come in. Or in real life, an intruder. This is the cell membrane of Pavan's house. I've just found a mitochondria. A mitochondria is the power plant of the cell. It provides the cell energy. The power outlet in Pavan's house also provides energy to the lamp, as you can see here, or to anything else that we need, except binders. Those don't need power outlets. I might find a Golgi complex somewhere here. I'll come back to you when I can. I am standing in some cytoplasm. This is where most of the cell's most of the cell's reactions occur. I said this is the floor because this is where most things happen. We're not going to be doing stuff in the air. Goodbye. I've just found a vacuole in this cell. The vacuole stores all of the nutrients the cell needs and the water. Usually in the plant cell the vacuoles are bigger in the cell. And in the animal cell it's usually smaller. In this case, it's the pantry. This is where we keep all the food, and then where we keep our nutrients to life. I think I can find some cytoplasm around here. Goodbye now. I have found a Golgi complex. This is kind of like a laundry area, but Golgi complexes, they package materials so that the cell can use them. As Mrs. Rowicki says, they're kind of like takeout. I think I can find an ER somewhere. This is a very big ribosome, but this is, in my case, a ribosome. A ribosome makes the protein in the cell, and in my case, the kitchen makes the food, and which is also a protein. It helps keep the cell alive, and it helps eat. It is very necessary and crucial for a cell's life. I have found an ER. An ER delivers all the material to where they need to go in a cell. This laundry basket is basically the deliverer of the laundry that we do. It can travel from the Golgi complex to my closet, which we will see right now. See, right there, it is a closet that I use, and this is how it delivers. I'm going up to the cytoskeleton next. Goodbye. I'm pretty sure you're surprised right now, but this is called lysosome, or here it's a toilet, or in French, toilette. It gets rid of the waste in the cell, and it also gets rid of dead organelles. But in this case, it discards our waste. It's disgusting. I think I found the cytoskeleton. It was really hard to find. It's in the attic, and a little dangerous. You see those wooden structures? Those are the cytoskeleton. They make the house or the cell look what it's gonna be, and they help support the cell to presentate. They kind of look like webs too. I need to get down. I just found a nucleus. It's also known as Dad. He is the nucleus because he decides all cell functions in Pavan's house. For some reason he is sleeping right now, but he is the nucleus even though he's still sleeping.